Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to combine Focused and Other in Outlook and turn off Focused Inbox in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're in, give it a moment to load all your emails and folders so you can access your full inbox. Now, once your email has loaded completely, navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are located. Look for the inbox header at the top of this section, and you'll notice there's a sort option displayed right next to it. By default, this is usually set to sort by date, which is how Outlook organizes your messages chronologically. Go ahead and click on this sort option. When you do, a menu will appear showing you different ways to organize your inbox. Under the sort section, you'll see an option labeled Show Focused Inbox. This is the toggle that controls whether Outlook separates your emails into focused and other categories. The Focused Inbox feature is designed to prioritize important messages, but if you prefer to see all your emails together in one unified view, turning this off is the way to go. Simply click on Show Focused Inbox to disable it. As soon as you do this, Outlook will combine both your Focused Inbox and Other Inbox into a single view. You'll no longer see that separation between the two categories, and all your emails will appear together in one continuous list. This gives you a more traditional inbox experience where everything is visible at once without any automatic filtering or prioritization. And that's it. You've successfully combined your focused and other inboxes by turning off the focused inbox feature in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.